going to repair a Woodford Model 17 faucet that leaks. First, I need to remove the handle. Next, I'm going to remove the packing nut with a 15/16 wrench. I'm going to remove the packing material. Next, we put the handle back on to the rod and start rotating the rod counterclockwise about 4 or 5 times. And then pulling on the rod to pull it out. Remove the handle and then pull the rod with a slight tug until completely removed. Remove the packing washer from the rod and also the check valve at the other end of the rod. Then we are going to remove the screw, retaining screw. Now we're going to reinsert the new check valve seat rubber. And insert the restraining screw. Going to insert the new check valve onto the rod. Then we're going to insert the packing washer onto the rod. Reinsert the rod all the way. With the packing washer inside. The flat side of the washer facing out. Handle to a rod. Turn the rod till it's in the off position. Next, put on the black rubber packing. Then install a packing nut and tighten. So you want to tighten the packing nut with the 5 and 15/16 wrench, but not overly tight. Next, we're going to reattach the new handle with the screw. We're going to replace the float assembly, first by removing the cap. Next, remove the plastic body. Remove the float. Reinsert the new float. Reinsert, screw on the new plastic body. Then replace the new cap.